attention, on m'a dit que, dans l'oreillette, on m'a dit que cet épisode-là allait apporter beaucoup de débats sur les réseaux sociaux. À l'instant, sur mon Discord, certains d'entre vous m'ont dit ça, donc j'attends de voir.
Oh.
What?
What is that?
Oh my god.
It's like Titan's. Oh no, it's just gas.
Okay.
Oh wait, what the heck?
Dude, who are these?
A gas weapon.
Oh, also Peek is here. Oh.
Ah, su líquido.
Oh wow.
Okay. So God, they look
Ah,
kinda
c'est ce qui
dead
s'est
to
passé
me.
dans la saison 3.
Oh, we're on. Okay, okay.
Ah,
We're on
mira.
Marley.
Oh, espere.
Oh snap!
Sí,
This is before when you made them in no
D'accord.
Wait, what? We got all the meme titans here.
sí, eso es lo que... Oh.
Le va a matar. So Zeke has been coordinating these attacks for the most part.
Because Peek was in the
¡Vamos, Levi!
Realmente no querías hacerlo.
Wait, so he's saying he did it just to
Bon, Levi, il veut lui faire sa peau.
Pecado.
Man,
Because we need to know too.
that's kind of messed up.
This is crazy, man.
Actually, Zeke got this secret plan gitu. Through the audience.
Well, that's
I agree with Levi's perception.
Es bastante poco.
Yeah, no, yeah.
Il doit pas avoir la cote.
Okay.
Sí, sí,
Je dirais pas ça, si.
Gracias.
Yeah, exactly.
We're finally learning more about
He's
Zeke.
so popular with ladies.
Wow.
Oh, so they want to use Aaron
Literally, you know, Aaron escaped and heading towards
I love that answer.
Là-dessus, on est bien d'accord. Sachant que Peek, elle a quand même... Oh, il a l'information.
Oh man, looks like he just got the news.
Non, putain.
Man, so
Épisode numéro 2.
I'm glad we finally went
I think Zeke already has a pretty good idea of what's going on. But man, so we know apparently they've been, or I don't know if they've done this to multiple villages, but for sure they did to that one village. They just kind of, I guess, what is injected the right word? I don't know, they just started pumping this gas into the village that contained Zeke's spinal fluid. And apparently it paralyzes anyone that has like Eldian blood.
This is my last
So they were just kind of paralyzed there. And then he's kind of able to command them to like go to specific locations and stuff. And it's really interesting because it really makes you wonder how long has Zeke really been pulling the strings, and now we know that he has been doing it for a very long time, because a lot of those Titans we've seen in like season 2, so they've been here for a minute.
And I still don't know what is the plan now.
Not only caused
Because they're there, like what does Rumbling gonna do now? Like they're literally in the fucking city.
And that also explains how when he
Infiltrating, just like
attacked
Aaron did.
the wall, he kind of had that like barrier of
Authorization, but
Titans
they are doing
alongside
it, but like literally.
because he's able to kind of
72, les enfants de la forêt. Les enfants de la forêt. La forêt. On sait que Sig est dans la forêt avec Levi. Donc qu'est-ce que ça sous-entend? Bon, la suite des aventures du coup de Gabi et Falco qui se sont échappés et qui se retrouvent avec les parents de Sacha, invités justement pour aller bouffer la nourriture de Nicolo.
The dude works there too, right? The dude from Marley. The one that can cook. That was friends with Sasha.
I kind of wonder how well they treat them as well.
¡Oh, aquí está Nicolo!
A captive.
Es cierto.
Armin.
Look at her helping them out.
Nicolo.
Which POW? Oh, the chef! The chef! Oh no! Oh my god, that's Sasha's boyfriend! At least, oh god, this is gonna be fucked up! This is gonna break me again, oh my
Look at them,
god!
they're all dressed up
He looks like this
nicely.
funny kid.
Mira aquí donde está también.
Il y a tout un régiment à nourrir là.
Oh man!
Donde está
qué gratis.
I wonder if they recognize
Oh
them.
yeah, I
Or
remember this.
something.
Okay.
Because they were like military,
Yeah, this is the guy that
like
that
elite.
made the food that Sasha really loved, right?
Someone didn't work for us.
Nicolo, that's his name.
Non mais carrément, il lui demande de l'aider quoi.
Pero no mira que el papá de...
Gabi and Falco to meet another Malian.
Kaya tampoco sabe que Gabi.
Oh!
Oh my god. No me la contés.
Ah putain, elle a pas sorti le blaze.
Oh no!
Me he olvidado que ese man.
Je pense que même si elle aurait sorti le blaze, je pense pas qu'elle connaisse le blaze. Non, je sais pas, Gabi, si elle connaît le blaze de la meuf qu'elle a tuée dans le Sacha.
Que es su papá de Sasha.
Oh my god! Oh no!
Enfin, ça a l'air vraiment succulent.
This is gonna
Des petites bouchées comme ça là.
suck when they realize it.
Eating good.
I think Falco already realized
Sasha
it.
definitely had good taste. Look at this man pouring his heart and soul into these dishes.
Sausage?
More gas?
Oh, c'est eux, putain, je croyais que c'était Falco.
Oh my god! Dude, hold on.
¿Será que Pink va a
If
aparecer
they
aquí
bump
también?
into Gabby, dude,
se va a hacer
oh my god.
En medio de todo eso.
Who knows how they're gonna react?
That's the
I thought they were married together.
Now I remember the promise he made to the father.
Sure, sure. Just say that.
Love, we just straight out said it. That's why I love when you're
They'd like to join us in the
Down to
shop.
business.
That's going to be a very awkward interaction.
Putain, je le sens mal, je le sens mal.
Ay, no le van a ver a Gaby Falco.
Je le sens trop mal.
Where's the MP place?
head towards. Oh,
That's the poison wine,
No
man.
es el El que estaba
Je vous jure qu'il y a un truc par rapport à l'alcool. J'en suis sûr, clair, net, précis. Il y a un délire avec l'alcool.
don't drink it.
Je pense qu'il y a quelque chose.
Get the glasses to stick to the ceiling like that.
Yeah,
My
thank you.
special wine, don't you dare touch.
I knew that's another wine.
Está envenenado.
There's something about the wine.
Non, la tête d'homme est quelque chose.
God.
Normalement, il pense pas comme ça, ce mec-là. Je vous le dis, hein. Au niveau de la nourriture et tout, il aime bien faire plaisir aux mecs devant lui, que ce soit des Eldiens ou des Mars.
Only when it comes to alcohol.
Oh, so this is how you really feel, huh?
Oh, il est bizarre dans son comportement.
The reason behind
His true colors are showing now.
What the fuck, dude?
Okay. So why are you saying this stuff? I liked you.
Il a l'air sûr de lui, hein. Il a l'air sûr de lui, et il voulait pas que ce soit eux qui boivent l'alcool. Le vin. Donc, déjà, ça renferme quelque chose, un secret. Est-ce que c'est empoisonné? Je sais pas.
No mira que por qué le gustaba a Sasha.
Il y a un plan, les gars. Il y a un plan, c'est clair,
There's
net,
another
précis.
reason why he's
Maintenant, lequel?
why he snatched that bottle from him.
Je pense que c'est lié. Ah, bien ouais, bien joué. Je pense que tout ça, c'est lié à Sig. Peut-être à ce qu'on a vu dans le trailer. Dans le trailer, on avait vu la forêt avec plein de titans et Levi qui est en train de les charcuter.
This is it.
Sí, eso es otra posibilidad.
C'est vrai que c'est louche. C'est vrai que sur la place de Nicolo, j'en doute fortement.
He should know that, though, right?
Yeah, you the one that two shots, Sasha.
He knows.
Did you
He
shoot someone?
knows.
Did you kill someone?
Oh no!
She killed.
Oh no!
Miracle.
Oh no 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 no!
Oh my god! Wait, he's putting the pieces together.
¡Sus ojos de Gaby! ¡No!
That's the wrong thing you could possibly say
Oh
right
no,
now.
what's he gonna do?
¡Está loca! Killer.
He probably already knows. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh, Nicolas! Oh non! Falco! Pas Falco! Oh le pauvre! Putain, pourquoi c'est toujours Falco qui prend cher? Oh putain, je voulais que ça soit dans la gueule de Sacha, ça. Putain, ça soit... J'en perds mes mots, de Gabi. Oh!
Jesus.
Ah, il a pris cher, hein, le petit Falco.
Unconscious right now.
How
Maybe
you
like a
so
mix of
big?
both?
Like, you cared about Sasha so much, though. Falco! Falco! Why do you have to protect her?
Non, mais je refuse. Oh!
So much
Voilà, c'est ce qu'on veut, Gabi. Faut qu'elle paye.
Nicolo got a knife now.
¡Calla, tampoco lo sabe!
The brakes off us.
Well, she killed you.
Oh man, he spilled the beans.
Voilà, Nicolo. Nicolo.
And they've been like helping this kid the whole time.
¡My God!
Jeez, I feel like this is a little bit of karma coming back to bite her in the butt.
Telling everything to Sasha's family.
What are they gonna do to him now?
Look, they're horrified.
This kind of family.
No, he's not gonna do it. Are you fucking me?
Oh le choix. Oh, tu peux venger ta fille ou tu le laisses. Ou tu laisses le cuisinier s'occuper de ça. Mais c'est fou parce que ça amarre. C'est un truc de dingue. C'est un truc de fou.
Se van a enterar también de que ella es la mocosa que mató a Sasha.
Yeah, she's here.
Gabby's in deep water right now.
Que venga Pi, ya. ¿Qué falta? Que venga Pika aquí, Reina, Eren, que vengan todos, que explote todo y ya.
Te muerde la cabeza.
Bah oui, Falco le pauvre.
Oh no.
Please don't hurt him.
That gives him even more of a reason.
Putain, ouais, ça l'a bouleversé, hein.
Very upset because of Sasha's death.
Oh, Nicolo. Entiendo.
Là, elle est en train de se confronter à la réalité, Gabi.
Oh, the bench doesn't work it. The bench doesn't work it.
En vérité, elle a raison, mais c'est ça le pire, c'est que t'as raison. Le pire, c'est qu'elle a raison, Gabi. Sacha, elle a tué des gens.
An eye for an eye makes the whole world blind.
¿Crees que está con
¿Qué mierda sos, Gaby? ¿Qué mierda sos?
That is too far, no.
No, no.
Oh, je pense pas qu'il va le faire. Je pense pas qu'il va faire le daron.
Has he had enough?
Sacha, c'était quelqu'un de très bien éduqué, de très honnête,
Not gonna do it.
une excellente citoyenne. Donc, celui qui lui a donné cette éducation-là, je ne pense pas qu'il va se livrer dans ce genre de délire, de vengeance. Non.
Would do more wonders than killing her.
Oh, Hanji is here.
That's how she saved him.
Backstory.
Are you calling her a burner?
Putain, la tension.
Sí, es el ciclo de sin fin. A hierro matas, a hierro mueres.
Non.
Oh, c'est fort ce qu'il dit, hein. C'est très fort ce qu'il dit.
Right.
Oh la leçon. Oh la leçon. Oh la leçon qu'il donne, le daron. Oh la leçon, masterclass.
Fucking hell, man. What the fuck
Dang, this dude is so wise. Holy crap.
Right. I know he's hurt. I understand that he's hurt.
Il s'appelle pas Ben, Falco. Falco.
Respeta la decisión.
You have to.
Ah, pensé que le iba a tirar. Pensé que le iba a
They're
retar.
probably in the most pain. And look, even after Loka's still asking.
Je suis choqué.
Eres una víctima.
Il sait que c'est elle. Oh Donc c'est Mikasa là. C'est Mikasa, ouais. Donc c'est une Eldienne qui sauve Gabi.
Wow.
Oh la
To
dinguerie.
think she was going to help them, but now.
Oh la dinguerie. Oh la dinguerie.
Oh my.
Putain, j'espère que ça va mettre une véritable tarte dans la gueule de Gabi et qu'elle va changer. Hein. Qu'elle va commencer à se poser des vraies questions là. Parce que la Gabi entêtée, toujours dans son même délire de patati patata là. Ça y est, là on peut plus rester dans ce délire là.
Fucked up. This is such a fucked up connection. But it's fucking necessary, isn't it?
The wine.
It's poisoned.
The wine. What is it? What? What's in the wine?
Oh, is that why he snatched the bottle?
Serum. The serum.
Oh là là Donc c'est ça qui fait qu'il y a des... J'ai tout compris. Ça y est, maintenant je suis en train de recoller les morceaux du puzzle par rapport au trailer. Et là tout devient clair.
Oh wait. Oh, this is maybe a part
Dans
of
ce
the
cas-là,
Zeke's
pourquoi dans le
plan.
trailer Levi était pas transformé? C'est ce que je me pose comme question maintenant.
He put the spinal fluid
Sauf s'il a pas bu. Sauf
inside
s'il a
of
pas
the
bu.
wine and gave it to the
No
soldiers.
es así. En uno de los capítulos cuando están en el bosque,
Oh
en los
no.
capítulos pasados mostraban a todos con botellas de vino.
Oh, the Jaeger is here. They're going to take.
Inclusive sí, que estaban
And now that we know
Dude,
these
I
people
have
all
no
have
clue what's
serum in
gonna
them.
happen next.
Zeke, can you turn the
Pero
liquor
los tipos que estaban
Why?
con historia, hablando de historia, de todo eso, también bebieron ese vino.
He accidentally maybe swallowed some of the wine. Yeah, that contains big spinach with.
Wow.
Y si Falco lo bebió entonces,
It is true.
Oh my god, these
Even
memories.
just a couple episodes ago.
Cierto. Cierto. Bueno, Eren. Estaba en la cabeza el pendejo.
se viene el Eriverse.
Levi qui remet tout en question.
Bueno, todos murieron de balde en teoría,
Where's
pensé
the confidence?
que era la esperanza que veíamos.
He was the one that rooted for Eren so much, him and Erwin, and now look at them.
Oh, Levi qui va péter un câble. Hein. Alors là, je pense que Levi il va péter un câble. Il a perdu quand même son escadron, hein, faut pas l'oublier.
Right. Uh-oh.
¿Cómo eso?
Sí, explícalo, Nico. Por eso no se lo quitó a Jin, para que no bebiera eso.
That's right. Oh my god, that makes so much sense.
First,
So they are giving water to Falco right now.
Exacto, eso lo vimos
But it
en
only
uno de los
affects
capítulos
descendants
pasados.
of
Es lo que yo
Ymir, right?
comentaba cuando estaban
Oh wait, they're
bebiendo
Eldians.
y
I'm
hablando.
stupid.
Ok, d'accord, les hauts gradés. Donc déjà, les hauts gradés, c'est finish. Je vous le dis clairement, c'est finish pour eux.
Yeah, of course! Who the fuck would do it?
Yelena, ok, donc on savait qu'elle était suspectée.
it's from Zeke's commando, of course.
Bon, je pense que lui, il est pas dans le délire. Hein, mais Yelena, c'était sûr. On l'avait vu la semaine dernière.
Apparently not. Like my theory said, no, it's not.
Ah, ok.
They don't know anything. They only know from what Zeke told them. Yeah.
Oh my
God. They're gonna be turned now.
Or either it's just like
No, for sure.
Yeah, I don't have any
but
but still.
prove it. Oh, he can't prove it. I mean. It's the hunter before.
Putain, en une nuit.
In one night.
And it was because of that.
Using
He turned
Zeke's spinal
them into titans.
Alien prisoners, probably.
Por eso nos
Wow,
mostraban
take us
así
down
al
from the
principio
inside.
del capítulo.
C'est vrai que
Haciéndolo del
ça paraît logique. Hein. Normalement, c'est bien.
Lo probaron con el gas.
Mais bon, il n'y a pas les preuves entre guillemets, mais c'est logique.
Turned them
Just start the
into titans.
insurgency from inside again.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Ah bon, Nico,
literally.
ça, bon.
Ya
Wow.
está, es que no está Sasha.
Dude, there are so many layers to the
Bon,
character.
tout à l'heure, sa réaction, c'était plus pour que Jean ne le voit pas.
Here and now. Oh my gosh.
Exactamente lo mismo que Rey.
Moi, je le suspectais tout à l'heure, mais pas du tout.
I have so
Yeah.
much respect for like.
Wow, man.
Putain, c'est vraiment un bon Nicolo. Excuse-moi Nicolo d'avoir douté de toi en début d'épisode. Je retire complètement ce que je pensais.
This situation
Enfin, les suspicions que j'avais, bah après c'est normal. Hein. Vu ce qu'on avait vu dans une petite scène avec le vin, sa réaction tout à l'heure, donc tout est clarifié au niveau de Nicolo.
We don't have a reason. We don't particularly like you. You killed our best friend. They know that already, but they didn't tell you before, did they?
She always think about me. I hope that she can see that.
Eso no va a cambiar nada.
Alien are kind people
Falco just cares about you so much that
they
he,
still forgive her.
that he's potentially
We're not these devils that you guys make us out to be, man.
anyone.
This is
Like
it, dude.
Aaron.
Je me rappelle quelqu'un. Et là, mais c'est quoi ce truc de ouf?
Están todos aquí.
Non mais attends, le mec il vient, hop, ta gueule, tu vois ce que je veux dire ou pas? Ferme ta gueule.
We saw the cut on his
Maintenant tu vas fermer ta putain de gueule
Se va a
maintenant.
transformar ahí.
How
Con la
my
mano
hands to
cortada así
take
como lo
us.
mismo que Reina. Ni un movimiento.
Ils sont en position de force. Ils sont en position de force.
Eren's injured and upstairs.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, because before he said this
Look
shit
at
with his
the
head.
massacre.
He was there.
But he thinks they're making
No,
a
I
plan.
feel
Are
like
they
they're like right on
actually?
the right track.
Are they really making a plan to take the Fire Titan?
But at the same time, like they don't really have no reason to oppose because if they do.
Oh là là, Floch qui a pris mais tellement de flow.
Oh son, they gone, man.
He's going to spy within this guy.
Oh
Oh
man,
putain.
It'd be your own. It'd really be your own.
Wow.
Frock.
They've been trying to animal children right now, right? Or they'll just all be killed anyway.
Exacto. Exacto. Los
They
vimos el
know
reset
this probably
porque
before
ellos se
they
vieron.
on their plan. They're not full because it was
Ils s'en balèquent.
Or he doesn't
Mais
care.
ils s'en balèquent.
They gonna turn the Titans dummy.
We're all going to die if they attack us now!
They don't care.
Oh, he knew. Never mind. He just knew.
He knew exactly.
I wouldn't be too surprised if they did.
And Zeke was
Oh la dinguerie.
Yelena's getting orders from Eren.
Oh mais non mais Frock il a trop de flow. Frock.
I mean, they're not on the military's team, so why would they tell them?
Coming this way, man. No.
La música.
Team capture.
Flock.
They're all
Dude,
here. They're
Gaby
so
tiene
down.
la cara de Gaby. Tiene
T'as Mikasa qui baisse la tête.
She's literally
Tiene
right
al
next to
lado
him.
a Eren.
C'est
Se va a
incroyable.
transformar en cualquier
Man
momento.
that started it all.
Oh, on y est.